Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's March 27, 2023. We're going to talk about Solana today because since the last couple of days of when I did my previous price prediction, the market in Solana has gone down and people have enduring losses because the market hasn't been going up if they were buyers of this currency. So I wanted to come in and see if we're going to continue to see price in Solana go down, or are we going to see some elevation, some support come through, and then price begin to lift? So let's go ahead and get started in this because you guys can see it already. I did a video on March 21st, 2023. You guys can see my expectations were for Solana to continue to go higher in price. So far, that hasn't panned out right. So I wanted to come in and see if we're still on course to allow Solana to predict that Solana's going to continue to go higher, or should we play the movement to the downside? Because of note, you guys can see that we haven't seen any indications of buyers trying to prop up Solana's price. We haven't seen it outside of yesterday's trading day, to where the market in Solana actually closed higher than the previous day, right? You guys can see it right here on the 26th of March. The market actually ended up 2.6% higher than the previous day's close, but now we're coming right back down on the current price action of the daily price bar. Let's look at this on the weekly chart first. And from this viewpoint, from this vantage point, we can actually determine whether or not the market is bullish or bearish. And the conclusion of this weekly price bar here lets me know that the market is pretty bearish from this round. Now, look at this though. Okay, I want you all to see that the market in Solana can still hold support right there around $19.75, give or take a couple of pennies. We can still see the price hold support. Now, this will be the ultimate decision if Solana's going to move substantially lower, or are we going to simply see it come down to $19.75 and begin to take up shop there and lift from that point. Let's look at the market in Solana on the 2 weeks. Okay, so again, this is going to be very important. Okay, $19.75, give or take, is going to be real crucial for us to know which direction price in Solana is going to move. Okay, here it is on the 3 weeks. Okay, so each of these 3 weekly price bars is telling us what occurred during those 3 weeks. This here, okay, this was a massive indication that we should have seen a continued move higher following this 3 weekly price bar. We didn't get that. Instead, the market in Solana has just been consolidating, and as we've seen price consolidate, we even saw price go lower. That's three weekly price bars. Okay, that's a long time for us to have the market opportunity to push up, and as you can see it hasn't done it. It wasn't successful. The market is still reflecting how weak and how majority of the market participants is selling their Solana in the market. Let's look at this on the monthly time frame, and you guys can pretty much see it here, even from a monthly perspective, that we're not seeing a follow through following the month of January. Okay, so we're 3 months into the beginning of the year, and the market in Solana is still not reflecting strength. So now, am I saying that the market in Solana is going to take a massive dump, or is it going to plummet or plunge? I'm not saying that. I just want you all to understand the current environment that is on Solana's price chart. So this area is going to be crucial. Okay, I would say $20 to $19.75 is going to be crucial for us to see buyers. That's it. Okay, that's it. So as of my current price prediction, I'm here to tell you that, yeah, that's not correct. And the reasons that I'm showing you is the reason why it's not correct. Another reason as to how you can tell that you're on the wrong side of the market is looking at the trend. Okay, so looking at this on the 5-day chart, the market in Solana was making lower highs, and currently we're breaking that trend. Take a look. We're investigators, and once you see things break or change, you got to take note of it and act accordingly. Here it is on the 3-day. Okay, take a look. So just by this alone, I know I need to cut this price prediction and play the move to the downside in Solana. And that's what we're going to do. We're going to play some weakness into the market in Solana. The trend is broken in Solana right there on the 3-day chart. Here it is on the 2-day chart as well. Take a look at it on the daily. Okay. So let me go ahead and cut this last price prediction out the way. It did not go the way that we expected it to go. So if we were to get out the market now with Solana, we will be down 7.5%. Okay. But what we're going to do is we're going to get right back in position, because we can tell that generally the market action in Solana is weak, and we're simply going to play that direction until we see a change. So now I'd say $20 will have to be a logical area of support initially, which is only like 2.96%. $20 is where our first target is going to be. Second target is going to be around 1950. That's 4.66%. 1950, $19.63, give or take. And then my third target in Solana is going to be right here around $18.70. Okay, that's 9.25% move to the downside from where the market currently is today, right now, around $18.69, give or take. Okay, now I want the market to confirm support, preferably right around $20 to $19.75. If it doesn't do it, then this small prediction that I'm looking forward to into the market in Solana, it's going to go a lot lower than that. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and prepare you all that the market in Solana could go substantially lower if those buyers don't come in at $20 to $19.75. All right, so I'm done. Simple, easy. This is the current idea that I'm thinking the market in Solana is going to move. It's your turn. The comment section is open on all of my videos, so you guys can try this on your own to see where you suspect the market is about to go. Join me, hit that subscribe button, make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.